On October 16th, 2024, undercover officers were working inside a premium outlet when they caught a woman red-handed slipping merchandise into her bag. What follows is a tense confrontation that unravels in real time. The officers receive reports, describe the suspect, an Asian woman with black, fluffy hair, dressed all in black. Inside the store, the atmosphere is tense. Staff notice her suspicious behavior near a high-value purse.
Just text you right now about this, or?
Literally, I can tell you right now, she texted me at 4:33.
Yeah, we good. Hey, I'm doing it. That picture, can you send it to my phone right now?
Yes. It's a video.
Yeah, can you send it to me?
Yep, yep.
What'd she look like?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
She is Asian with black fluffy hair. Straight, all black.
Suspects potentially Asian female, black, fluffy hair, wearing black clothing. She was in black clothing?
Black, yeah.
What's the store that she's at right now?
Bonnie Neiman
And that's 12 Beechwood?
12
Okay.
Beechwood.
All right. Thank you. Got it. Thank you. So, the lady came in, the Asian lady, and the owner said she was helping another customer. She was standing at the register. She saw her standing by where the purse was, and she said the woman was like being weird and kind of like not really making eye contact or whatever. And next thing the lady just left, and she walked over when she was done with that customer, however much long after, I guess an hour or whatever, after Saul was gone and nobody else had been in the store. Apparently, according to what she was telling Isaac.
And the purse is gone?
The purse is gone.
Is that the black purse that's
Louis
on it?
Vuitton. I don't know. It's a black Louis Vuitton. We call it Pfizer. $1,200 black Louis Vuitton, like one of those chest purses, like smaller ones.
Okay.
Can you take a picture of it, Colin, and send it to me?
Me? No, we're not out with her yet. We're not going to make contact until we...
Is she wearing a black bag? Because that's what she has in the picture.
Yeah.
She's wearing a Louis Vuitton bag then.
Okay, so the black bag that she looks like she has over her shoulder, is that
That's
the
what
one?
she had on in the store.
Okay, so we're thinking that there's another purse that's in that.
Yeah, it's small. She said it's like a handbag, but it's Louis Vuitton, so it would have Louis Vuitton print on it. Like it's like a almost like a brown color.
Yeah,
Louis
the same
Vuitton.
size that she showed us when we were both there, right? The chest purse size.
And this girl was the only one that was in there, correct?
Yeah, she said she can't 100% confirm that it was this chick, but however, she said she was the only one that was, by the bag and in the area of that vicinity.
Was she the only person in the store or no?
Was that chick the only person in the store at the time?
Another customer had walked in. We were talking right here. She had bought something. I had to go in the back. I came out up there.
Yeah, another customer bought something. She walked to the back, and that's when she was out by the front door.
Well, I saw her go. I was back out. She walked in the store back in the same area, and that's when I thought something's not right.
Yeah.
And of all times, I didn't stop myself from talking and go over. It's gone.
Yeah.
How did we get the picture from the girl over at the Great House? They know each other and
Her
Yeah,
friends
they're
doing
friends. They're friends. I guess they were
owners are
talking,
friends.
and I guess they were, she was explaining what happened. She's like, I think this lady's in my store now.
okay.
She said anytime she has a theft in store, she tells all of her friends in the local area that have a business.
All right, we'll go talk to her.
Alright. And, Medina,
Yeah.
she said that she wasn't accompanied by anybody in here, but I guess in that store she was with some male.
In the Great House store.
Yeah.
Okay. No.
Alright.
All right, thank you.
Thanks.
We'll talk to her. No, we don't have a picture. Hello. I have a question for you real quick. We were over at the Collective earlier. Were you there today? The store on Summit Avenue?
Yeah.
The owner there said that a purse went missing from the front and she wasn't sure where it might be.
Okay.
She said she was speaking with another customer when you were there. Do you happen to know, did you see the purse that
I looked
mentioned?
around there.
Looked around there?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't take anything?
No.
No? Okay. Do you mind if I look through your bag?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I just went shopping.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Lisa?
Lisa?
Yeah.
I'm Lieutenant Medina, that's Officer Colin Scarpello. This is Detective Lynn Green. This is probably just the
wrong place, wrong time.
Yes.
I understand you probably feel confronted, but at the end of the day, we're just trying to do our job.
I understand.
It appears
The woman is detained and questioned as officers piece together her story. She denies wrongdoing, but evidence and video footage tell a different tale.
we just want to rule that out.
Outside.
Yeah.
It's kind of cold. I'm freezing. I just stand outside.
There's more people outside.
The bottom line is, if you just open your purse and show us that the Louis Vuitton thing wasn't inadvertently picked up, that's a different story, right? But at this point, unfortunately, I think we have enough to detain you because you're the only person in the store. So
I
we're just,
wasn't, but I wasn't. There was another lady in there.
oh, there was.
Yeah,
Oh, it sounded like you were the only person there.
that's incorrect.
Okay.
There's
Do you have a driver's license on you?
I do.
Can we have that just for our records?
I don't like all this.
I
This is
understand.
wrong.
I understand you don't like it,
Yeah.
but it's the reality. Right?
No, I
We're
understand
conducting
that.
an investigation, and it appears that you have been named as a potential suspect, and so, unfortunately, by law, you do have to turn over your driver's license for our investigation.
This is true. And see, that's not even true. I wasn't even on the roll.
That could have been me. I could have misheard, but it sounded like you were the only person in there. Okay? I understand. This is probably just, like, again, wrong place, wrong time. It could just be you inadvertently picked something up when you didn't mean to. I don't know, to tell you. But anything you can do to help us, we can put this to bed. If it was the other person, maybe there's video of the other person doing it. But there is cameras in there. So I just want to put this to bed one way or the other. If you could help us in that, that would be awesome. But I am going to need your idea. I'm sorry to be a pain.
No, it's not a pain. It's just wrong. This is really embarrassing.
I'm so sorry. But I will say, is the inside of your purse brown?
Yes.
The inside of your purse doesn't look
Well, I have
a brown Louis Vuitton in there?
no.
It sure looks like it. Right there.
No.
Right there.
Could see it.
No.
Okay. Ma'am, I don't want to place you under arrest. And I don't want you in the store.
No. That's so
Okay.
wrong.
Okay, so can we see the purse, please? It's in plain view. I can see it in your bag. Turn over your driver's license, unless you want to get put in handcuffs right this moment.
No, I don't want to.
Okay, so
I
we
already
need your
saw it in
ID.
plain view. Okay? Take the bag off. You're gonna get put in handcuffs. And I'm trying to treat you with respect.
So much. You could go so much easier. You just give us your ID and turn on the person.
I don't even know if the victim wants to pursue this at this point. Okay? I don't even know that. Okay? But I have enough to detain you. It's in plain view. I just saw it. Okay? And I don't want to get into a fight with you. And I can see how nervous you're getting.
No, I'm irritated.
Well, I would be too if I was that lady over there and my purse was in your bag. So take off your bag because I can see it. It's not up for discussion anymore. Do you want to get put in handcuffs?
No.
Or do you want to see if we could try to work this out? Yes or
I'd
no?
like to leave.
That's not going to happen now. I already saw it. So you can either help us out here, and maybe she doesn't want to pursue this because she gets her belongings back, or I'm going to place you in handcuffs so you're going to be arrested for theft. And in addition to being arrested for theft, if there's any credit cards in there, you're going to get charged with those too.
I don't have credit cards in there.
Any credit cards that are in that particular Louis Vuitton that you're covering, every single one of those is an additional charge.
I don't have any other credit cards. They're my own credit cards.
Okay, the brown Louis Vuitton that I just saw,
Do you know I have Louis Vuitton checkbook? I have Louis Vuitton wallet.
I'm sure you do. But you have been identified. I just saw that in plain view. It matches exactly to what she's describing. We're not playing this game anymore, man.
I'm not playing this game either. This is
Let
wrong.
me have your ID.
This is wrong.
I'm sure it is. I need your ID, and I will not ask again. I can assure you of that.
You're already getting the ID out. Let's just get the ID out again. We saw it was in there, so we're not covering anything up anymore. Just give us the ID so we can go from there.
It's a misunderstanding, it is what it is, but we have to document everything that we spoke here, and we need to see some ID.
We can do this now here, or we can just handcuff you here and cross you where the cars are. Probably one of the busiest streets in Summit. So we can resolve this here. There's only 4 or 5 officers here, or we can go across the street and place in handcuffs. Where there's probably going to be people who are going to be reporting this on the public sidewalk, and they can do that. So I think it's in your best interest to handle this scenario. So can we see that purse? And can we have your ID?
just want to leave.
That's
Well,
not
that's
happening.
It's not happening. It's too late.
Let's do it. For handcuffs.
No, don't do that.
Yep.
Just
I gave
No,
you the
I
option,
can't
man.
do that.
man.
Okay, here. I'll give it to you.
Okay. Then give it to us.
Give it over.
Can you
Stop
please
pulling
let go
away.
of me?
Stop pulling away.
Let go of me.
No, stop pulling away and give us the bag.
This is not up for discussion, okay? Turn it over now.
Now, or you're going to handcuffs.
I gave you the option before.
Okay,
No
here.
problem. It's too late.
No.
No,
We gave you the
no.
opportunity.
Stop, man. Stop.
Will you please just help me?
We're not helping you. You don't want that fast now. Ma'am, stop.
Ma'am.
Stop. This is ridiculous. Stop. You're not going to win this. You're not going to win this.
I promise you that.
Please don't.
All right, now you're resisting.
No.
You want to get charged with resisting too? 'Cause that's
No.
what are you doing? Stop. This could have gone a lot easier.
Relax and stop.
It's too late.
It's too late for
Freezing
you.
cold road in front of the entire public. We're trying to be respectful of you. Okay? You're not being respectful of us.
Either take this bag off or I'm going to cut it off.
Here,
All right, take your right arm off. No, take your. You don't need your left arm.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Please stop resisting.
No, please stop.
Doesn't have to be this way. Please stop resisting.
I'm just going to cut it off in 2 seconds because I don't really care about the strap and let it go. We're going to go on the floor a couple seconds.
Stop walking away.
All right, there we go. You make this a lot easier. How about
I'll
that?
go downstairs.
Too late.
Get on your stomach.
This is insane. You're a grown woman.
Oh, this could have gone so much easier.
Oh, this is
Hold on. Take your gloves off.
I'm gonna take my things off.
Yeah.
Why are you twisting your arm? You're going to hurt
I'm
yourself.
not. I'm trying
Because
to.
we'll just break it if you don't.
Hold on. Let me look.
I'm not trying to resist.
Well, you already did, so you're getting charged with that too. Congratulations.
Hold on. Let me lock. Hold on. Go.
Go outside, please.
Yeah, you're going to jail. So,
Are you serious?
absolutely. Stand right here.
Can I please just go?
Nope. Do you have
Sir,
anything on you?
please.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I never
All right,
do.
well, I'm going to just check your pockets, okay?
Okay,
Just turn face that
it's
way.
right here.
Yeah, I know. Don't reach. Turn like that. What's this, a phone? Okay. I'm going to use the back of my hand, all right?
What am I gonna do?
What are you going to do?
I know.
You what?
I'm a
Just the easiest way is to slide backwards, all right?
Can I just ask you something?
No. Just
No, please.
Yeah, just slide back there, please.
Please.
You can ask me when we go inside, all right? It's cold.
Can I please?
Just slide back, okay?
Can I please?
When we get inside, I'm freezing. Let's go. Come on.
No,
It's
but
not
can
changing,
I
it's not changing
please?
the outcome
We're
right now.
going to walk down the street. It's a 2-minute ride.
No, but can I please just go?
No, get in. Come on.
I
You're
am
not-
begging you.
No.
Okay, that's not going to work, so... Come on, sit back.
Wait,
back.
but you know what? But sir,
You made a decision. Go
okay,
inside.
my screw up.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
I am begging you.
Maybe the girl doesn't want to pursue it. I don't know. But
Okay,
essentially,
okay,
Go inside
can
the
I
car.
just tell you something?
No.
No. Go inside.
No, please listen to
You
me.
need to be aware of your Miranda rights before you say anything. Okay?
Okay,
So
I'm
don't
just
say
going
any-
to ask you
Don't
something.
say anything until you are read your Miranda rights. I'm not asking you any questions, and I don't want to hear anything from you at this point. Okay? So
Nothing you
please,
say is gonna change
just
anything.
get in the back of the car.
Can I
back.
tell you something, please?
No, we don't need to hear anything, all right?
Sir, please
Sit
listen to
back.
me. Do you know?
We just wrestled inside. Do you want to wrestle again and get in the back?
I'm
Because we
sorry.
don't want to do that.
I-
So just
I-
sit back,
I-
please. We're asking you
Hey, my
nicely. We don't...
script. I am begging you.
You
I'm
need to get in
here.
the car. We already put you down on the floor in there because you want to resist arrest. Get in the car. We
Okay,
don't want to have to force you in the car.
that's my fault.
Okay,
It is
so...
your fault.
I-
It's
I-
about to get in the car.
Go inside.
Can I
Go
please,
inside.
Can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Come on.
No. Okay,
Sit
no.
backwards. Sit
Okay,
backwards.
will
Watch
you
your head.
please listen to me, sir?
Swing your feet in,
Will you
please.
please listen to me?
I'll listen to you when we get inside, all right?
can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Can we stop for a minute, please?
I know. Can
Just
you
sit back,
listen to me?
please. I don't know what's going on with you, but just sit back, all right?
Before further questioning, officers read the suspect her Miranda rights. Emotions run high as the suspect processes the gravity of the situation.
Come here, put your feet in. Can I go inside so I'm not freezing? Put your feet in.
No, will you please listen to me for a minute?
Oh, is it possible? No, we definitely need her. It's possible we're missing a goal. I'll need her to come in for a quick statement. I'll get her in and down in less than 10 minutes.
I knew right over.
Yeah, unless she doesn't want to pursue this, and then I'll get her to sign a waiver. But it's up to her, but she needs to come to headquarters.
Right now, we're going to take you to the station, and we're going to speak to you there, okay? We'll get a statement from you and from the victim. We'll go from there. How'd you get that off?
No, I pushed it. I told you, I pushed it off.
Okay. What's your first name?
Lisa.
Lisa. I'm Colin, okay?
Hi.
Just be cool with me, alright? I'll be cool with you, alright?
Yeah.
I'm going to explain everything to you when we get in there, alright? Just, let's be cool, okay?
Okay, can I tell you something?
Sure. What's up?
I'm embarrassed as I'm totally embarrassed. I mean, I know it doesn't mean anything to you, but I'm so embarrassed.
Okay, I understand.
I'm here visiting my new husband's family.
Okay.
I'm not from here.
Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Okay, so you're visiting?
I'm visiting. I know I deserve what I deserve.
Where does your new husband live? Or your husband, I'm sorry.
California with me.
I mean, where's his family live?
Here
In Summit?
in Summit.
Okay.
I am. Okay. My problem, not your problem.
I'm listening.
I can't go. I can't go back to them like this.
We're not going to bring you back to them in handcuffs.
No, I can't. I can't like anything. How do I explain to them? Not your problem. I know.
Well, when we get inside and we get situated, all right, we'll let you make a call. I can't tell you it's going to be right away, but
A call.
to call somebody, you're not staying here all night, okay?
I know that.
Okay.
But I guess I'm saying, from my stupid perspective that doesn't concern you, is I don't know how I'm going to go back and face them.
Okay.
Not
You're an
your
adult.
problem.
We don't tell people
I know,
what happens.
I know.
That's between you and them, and we're not calling them and telling them what happened.
Can I please just go home to them? Please?
Yes, eventually, but
No,
you
no.
will go home to them in a few hours, but let's go.
I mean, but
Not right now, let's go.
with
Come on.
this process though.
Yes, there's a process.
I know there's a process.
Yeah, you're not going to be here all night, okay?
I understand
Okay,
that.
you don't understand because you keep asking me to bring you home right now.
We
You're
can
not coming
we'll
home
give you a
right now.
ride. This is
Okay, here's the thing, and I just explained to him, and I know it's not your problem. I don't expect sympathy. I just want you to please try to understand. I'm here visiting my new husband's family.
okay. You realize we didn't put you in this position.
I know
we
you.
didn't steal
No,
it
no,
and
no,
put
no,
it, right?
no. And I
Okay.
know that.
So now let's act like an adult. Deal with your problems. Get this done quickly, so you can go back to your family and we can go back around our business.
Okay, and I understand it.
So why are you not getting another call?
You don't understand because you keep asking the same question.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm hoping that please just go. That's who's calling me.
No.
I know it's not your problem. I get it.
Okay, how about this? You get out of here, maybe we can work on the resisting part. How about that? So that you don't have to spend
I wasn't trying. I get it.
The video concludes with final procedures. The suspect is formally charged with theft and resisting arrest. This powerful story underscores how modern law enforcement tackles retail crime head-on.